My name is Jeneene and this is my husband Scott.
Hi there.
We are Sportzing North Brisbane and Sunshine Coast, and our job is to make your court look amazing, and we will develop a maintenance program to get your court looking its best and playing well. We will recommend a tailored service interval. Our processes include a machine service to remove compaction and other contaminants from your court.
In addition, we can offer you a chemical treatment. This kills your moss, your mould and your algae that's in your surface. We supply nets, posts, umpires chairs and other tennis related products.
So please, we'd love to come out and have a look at your court, and we will give you a free inspection, so give us a call.
For a free quote on hard court and artificial grass court cleaning and maintenance, contact your local Sportzing Courtcare rep.